Are you ready to use AI to supercharge your business and career? Imagine this. Someone has already paid for 100,000 Naira just for you to join a special virtual workshop. But you need to be quick, because this amazing sponsorship only covers 200 people. We're right talking about the EBB special virtual workshop on how AI can aid business and career success. For intensive, hands-on sessions, you'll dive deep into the world of AI, and it's all completely free thanks to the Emaasaanu Bii Baba Foundation. Join us with our incredible guest speaker, Mr. Maxwell Addo, moderator Mr. Joseph Ogundare, and host Professor Yinka Popoola. The sessions are on the first and second Saturdays of March at 7 p.m. daily on Zoom. If you're not an EBB member, you must register to get the login details. With only 200 slots available, they're filling up fast. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Secure your spot right now.